Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Well, today I'm going to do up a couple racks of ribs, and I'm going to do them up on the big smoker. It's a beautiful day, good day to test it out. I haven't done ribs on it yet. I did some pork butts. I'll have a link to that video. But today I got 2 racks of baby backs, and we'll throw them on here and see how it does. Let's get her set up. All right, we got the coals going here. I like to do charcoal to begin with to get the fire going. Then we're going to be putting it with some apple wood and smoke with apple wood today. So let's get this up to temp. Okay, what you see here is I have 2 racks of baby backs that I picked up. It was buy one get one, so I went ahead and picked up 2 of them. And as you can see, you still have the membrane on it. Got a little bit of fat over here I'll trim off. Same way with this one. Okay, so I got these seasoned up. We'll let them rest while the smoker comes up to temp. The rub I'm using today is ALBT Q. This is out of Puyallup, Washington. It's vegan and gluten-free. Well, I think I just ruined the vegan part of it. But anyhow, we were over for a barbecue competition, watching a barbecue competition, and this was for sale there. So I thought I would buy, a container of it and give it a try. Smells really good. And let's see. Let me put my glasses on. I put small print on it. Let's see, ingredients: brown sugar, salt, garlic, onion, chili powder, spices, smoked paprika, and rice bran. So let's just give it a little taste here. That's pretty good. I like that. Definitely can taste the garlic and onion in it. That's good. So then I also hit it with some fine ground black pepper, just a little bit to give it that little extra something. All right, let's get out there and get that smoker going. So I just picked up this ThermPro, what do they call it? Remote food thermometer with dual probe. I'm going to use it just mainly for pit temp. It comes with a little base here that is your receiver, your sender unit. I just set right there. I've got my probe inside this chamber where I'll be putting the ribs. So right now that says 70. And this says 69. Let's see if this will reach in the house. Well, it's up to 70. Oh, see what kind of range it has. Sorry for the unshaky video. dogs are over here playing. Up to 71. So it does come with batteries, and it comes with a meat probe and a pit probe. So, still reading. And I'm all the way over by my chair. So we can set it right there. And it's still reading. I'm liking it so far. Let you know how it works out. Okay, the pit's up to temp. She's running about 260 at the moment. Let's get these ribs on here and we'll go from there. So when we were over for that competition, I talked with a few of the teams to find out how they did their process and what sauces was really popular right now. And a lot of the teams were using this sauce, Blues Hogs Original. I'm going to give this a try on one of the racks. I'm going to put down some butter. I don't think I'll put any brown sugar in this one since the seasoning has it, and this is probably pretty sweet. And then we'll see what this tastes like compared to the rack that doesn't have sauce on it. Okay, we'll let them go for probably an hour and a half. We got to get the temp back up and we'll go from there. Okay, this rack here is the one that had only the rub on it. I didn't put any sauce on it. I did put the butter and the brown sugar when I wrapped them. Then you have this one here, which had the Blues Hog barbecue sauce put on it. So let's cut in and see what these things look like. So you can see they're just fall off the bone tender. See there, that's beautiful. Look at that, perfectly cooked. And that was the rub only rib there. Let's see what happens if we cut into this one. Find a spot here that's not on the bone. Right there. Same thing, the bone is just falling right out of it. You can see there, beautiful, perfectly done. Not good enough. Might need to let them cool down a bit before I tried cutting into them. But there's that one. Okay, this is the rub only. The let me see the name of it again. ALBT Q rub. Let's just take a little bite. Oh, that is so good. Oh my. I tell you, that doesn't need any sauce whatsoever. That is so good. Wow. Delicious. Cleanse my palate before I taste the one with the Blues Hog rub on it, or sauce on it. All right, so this is the one with the Blues Hog sauce on it. That's really good too. Wow. I don't know. That's good sauce. Both of them delicious. Perfectly done. Oh yeah. Not a real heavy smoke flavor to them. Just the way I like them. Wow. I'm going to actually try something here. I'm going to put a little sauce in a bowl and dip into it. But that is really good. Okay, let's just take a little bit of this here and dip it right into this Blues Hog sauce. See what it does to it. Yeah, that Blues Hog, pretty sweet. That's pretty good. Definitely tastes good. Pretty sweet. No spice to it whatsoever. It's delicious. Yeah, I'm gonna make you guys watch me eat. Wow. All right, let me, cheers. Wow. Both these racks of ribs are awesome. They taste so good, and that smoker did an awesome job on them. So what I did there is, I seasoned them, brought the pit up to temp, and about 270. It was bouncing anywhere from 250 up to 300 during this cook. But I put them on there, let them go for 3 hours just with the rub. Then I took them out, and you saw how I put the one rack on butcher paper, and then I wrapped it in foil. And the reason I did that is because I knew that sauce, probably was sugar based, and that would have burnt and stuck to the foil. So the butcher paper kept it from sticking, and it came out beautiful. I mean, that's just a beautiful rack of ribs right there. Then the other one, all I did was put the seasoning on it, and I just put brown sugar, parquet, and the vinegar cider to kind of marinate, and put them back in the smoker, and I let them go for 2.5 hours, just like that. Then I brought them in the house, let them rest for like 10 minutes. I probably should have let them rest longer, then they would have sliced easier. But these are awesome. These are so good, and can't wait to dig into them and keep playing with that smoker, figure out how I'm going to maintain the temp, and come up with a good process of making ribs on it. This is great. There's nothing wrong with this. Maybe a little bit overdone, like I said, because it's coming right off the bone. I'd rather have a little bit of a tug when I bite into it, but anyhow, this is really good. And like I always say, appreciate you watching. You can do this too. Till next time, my friends, grill on. Boy, it is really good. Can't wait. I like that sauce and that rub.